So hi, I am Dharshiga. This is my movie recommendation app which I have designed in Figma. Let me walk you through it. As you all know, every app has its own login page. So this is my login page I have created. Here you enter email and password and give login. It directly goes to the home screen. First of all, I gave if you doesn't have your own ID for this app, just click this sign up and just go for a sign up page. You can enter your name and mail and remember password. And you seen here I have given a checklist which you touch like this, it given a tick for you. And also you can log in with your Facebook account, Instagram and as well as Google. Then already you have an account means just click login here. And here you gave a sign up. After completing everything, it goes for it. And exactly this is a trigger page. Whenever you put a wrong email or wrong password, it directly goes here and you want to put it right. And obviously you give a checklist and put sign up. If you touch the sign up, it change like this and navigate to OTP page. So there I gave a navigation which is changed into variant 2 and directed to another page. I gave a 2 interaction there. And for OTP, you have to copy your SMS OTP and put it on it and give verify email means it goes for a registration successful. As you finally make it successful your registration. And here you saw, if you take and go for a mouse and get started, it changed like this. It is called while hovering. If you go like this, it change. If you remove your mouse, it goes like this. It shows the realistic experience of the app, I think so. If I touch this, it goes for a home page. In home page, I have given a filter. If you touch this, it goes for a filter page. You can filter it by genre, rating as well as year. And if you give apply, it goes for a result. And also you can reset this here. And go back means it goes back to home screen. And for home screen I have given top rated and movies and trending. Movies is nothing but is a recommendation from the app. We can check one card here. Go for a Leo. So it go for a movie card which I have touched, which is Leo. Here you can see the genre of the movie and year of release and the timing. And here a small description. And the most important thing, review. If you touch the review, you can write your thoughts and rate your movie. And if you give submit, it go for a submit page. And came back. Here is a navigation bar. If you want to go for a movie, you just click this. It can navigate to your movie page, I mean recommendation page. This is the page that you have seen for your movies and trending. And if you want to go from the movie page to search page, I mean from here to another page, just click the navigation bar, go for a search page. And here I gave trending searches, I mean frequently searches here. And here also I have a filter as I already shown to you. And from the search page I want to go for another page, I mean let's check, it goes for a me page. If I touch here, it goes to the home. So this was my project's flow and navigation which I have created by using navigation and also while hovering and also checkbox, anything else. So the every flow of my project is literally okay, I think so. So thanks for listening. Thank you.